Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Solomon. As you can see, we are here at the Hong Kong Flower Show at another booth for the World Flower Council Hong Kong chapter. This is a very exposed and it's a much larger booth here. And the theme this year for the flower show is called Ablaze with Glory. And I've designed these two huge metallic tips. One side is over there and then the other one is here, so that it looks like nuclear fission. And in the middle is this huge pampas grass explosion, which the nuclear fission is creating, like an explosion. And then we're going to put in a lot of tropical flowers here, orchids as well as anthurium, so that the entire thing looks like it's an explosion and it's ablaze with glory, hence the name. And it's a very exposed site. It's very, very warm today. It's 25, 26 degrees. And later on, when we put in all the flowers, we will let you see the final results. Wish us luck.